Business is booming for us right now. Jenny and I started a cutting and charcuterie board business about 1.5 years ago, and we're trying to get that automated before we start doing big furniture projects like kitchen tables and stuff. And things are going great. So great, in fact, that we're actually pretty stressed and overwhelmed when it comes to running the business day to day. And this week was no exception when we walked in on Monday morning and opened up our email to a ton of orders. So I'm just out here putting screws in cutting board feet like a numbnuts, and Jenny tells me our new salesperson just sold 20 boards. It's her first sale. So we're gonna go pop a confetti cannon.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm super excited.
This is Sally. Say hi, Sally.
Hi!
She just made her first sale. Super excited.
I would just like to let you know that this is her very first day, her very first official day post-training. And she just sold 20 boards, which is fantastic. So obligatory confetti cannon. Woo! 20 boards! Yeah, girl!
Yes.
Yes!
And now Jenny gets to clean it up.
Yes, the rule is whoever makes the sale does not have to clean up the confetti.
Oh, Bruce, are you excited?
Great work, y'all. I'm gonna go back to the hot warehouse.
Goodbye.
Great job.
Whenever you see confetti on the ground, you know it's been a good day. He or she who makes the sale does not clean up the confetti. So that's why I'm here with the shop vac. One of our sales team members made her very first sale today. She sold 20 boards, which is absolutely amazing. We were so excited. We had a blast covering the office in confetti. I hope that I have to clean up confetti off of this floor every single day for the rest of my life. But one of the really cool things that Davis and I accomplished this past week was setting a really big new goal for ourselves. If you all have watched the channel for a while, you're probably familiar with the fact that we love setting goals. And the biggest goal we just accomplished this year was moving into this commercial space. That was our goal for years and years and years, and we finally did it. But in order to grow and do new cool things, we have to set a new goal for ourselves. And what that is we need to sell here at Samara Table Company, we need to sell 700 boards per month. 700, that's it, that's the number. I know it may sound big, to some people it might sound small, but 700 boards a month is what's gonna allow us to move on to the next step in our business, which is hiring people to fully automate the board side of the business. That means that we are no longer selling boards, fulfilling boards, Davis is no longer really building boards. We can completely automate that entire process, and it feels so good to have another North Star or a big goal that we were shooting for. Our next step is to automate the board business by selling 700 boards per month. After we get our 700 boards per month consistently and we can fully automate it and hire other people to build, fulfill, and sell the boards, our next goal is going to be selling
We're shipping about 20 boards a week now, and that is a lot. When we ran this business out of our living room, the most we would do during a week is maybe 2 or 3 boards. But as Jenny continues to make more sales and hire salespeople who make sales, it's only gonna get busier. As you might have seen in our last video, our Glowforge broke because we had used it too much. And this week the replacement part showed up and I was finally able to get around to fixing it. All right, so today's the day. We got the Glowforge replacement parts and we're gonna get to fix it today. And we gotta do that before it turns 1,000 degrees in the shop. It's really not that bad. It usually hovers in the mid 90s in the shop when it's like 110 outside, so not that bad. But I got 4 replacement wheels. So we're gonna replace the front wheels here on this print head. We're also gonna do it on this printer. I don't think it needs it, but just preventative maintenance. It's $3 parts, so. I didn't realize these came in a set of 2. So if you buy replacement wheels from Glowforge, they come in pairs of 2. It's got a metal bearing, but on the outside, the plastic, see? That's what broke right there. I'd say that's a major improvement. I have a surprise just for you. Look who stopped in. This is Andy Bird from Andy Bird Builds. I'm sure you know his YouTube channel.
What's up, everyone?
It's great. He does a lot of CNC stuff, right?
Yes.
Business advice, all sorts
CNC,
of great.
CNC business. I'm in Houston.
Yeah.
I'm not from Houston. Houston is like 14 hours away. Yeah, it's been a trip. But
Nice.
We've had such a good day.
We have. We've admired each other's YouTube channels for a long time, but we finally broke the ice with an Instagram DM.
Yeah, you reached out to work on a project. And I said, man, you've been on my mind for weeks. I've been meaning to reach out. I'm going to be in Houston. Can I stop by? And that's literally how we've talked for 3 hours today.
Yeah.
About our businesses.
So that's our advice to you. This is your homework. Your homework. What you want to do is you're going to go to Instagram and DM another creator, maker, whoever's work you admire, and you're going to send him a message and just keep it short and sweet and simple. Say, hey, I admire you and I really like the work you do, because you have no idea what could come from just sending a single Instagram DM or what kind of relationship you could build from that. And we're all about relationship building. So that's your homework.
This has been the best business conversation we've had in, I would say, over a year.
Oh my gosh,
Wow.
a long time.
That's
Over a
awesome.
year.
Fantastic.
I'm not exagerating for the camera.
That's
I
cool.
mean that.
That's cool.
We appreciate
It's been
you.
really great.
We really appreciate you making time to stop by and
Awesome.
having lunch, and
Yeah.
can't wait to meet together again soon.
For sure. In Kentucky.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Come to Kentucky.
Absolutely.
That'd be great.
Anyway, go sub to his channel and go send a DM to somebody.
After we get our 700 boards per month consistently and we can fully automate it and hire other people to build, fulfill, and sell the boards, our next goal is going to be selling 100 kitchen tables per month. And at that point, that's when we'll feel like we have successfully operated Samara Table Company.
The stress and overwhelm comes from combining all of these things together. Me trying to help Jenny out through the hiring process with salespeople, the Glowforge breaking, some friends coming to visit, Caleb, our video editor, spending a month in Africa, Caitlin, our media manager, taking care of her husband who just had ACL surgery, all at the same time. Yeah, I guess you could say that the last few weeks we've sort of had our hands full. And I know it's only July, but we've really got to start nailing down our plans for the Christmas season. Orders are already coming in from people who want us to be their gift for the holiday season.
NOAA is predicting an above normal 2022 Atlantic hurricane season.
Did you know we had another job? Jenny and I are both meteorologists with the Air Force in the Hurricane Hunters Unit. We fly through hurricanes and tropical storms collecting data to help the National Hurricane Center predict the path of these terrible storms' destruction. Right as we're celebrating these huge milestones for our business, which we're incredibly grateful for, and we're just starting to learn how to manage the growing pains of a thriving organization, Jenny just left for 2 weeks, right when we needed her the most. What am I gonna do?